Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a Facebook story to Instagram step by step. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you stay updated with our latest tech tips and tutorials. All right, let's get started. Step 1. First, open your Facebook app. Once you're in, look for the option that says Create a Story at the top of your feed. Step 2. Tap to select the type of story you want to create, or choose a photo or video from your gallery to add to your story. Step 3. Once your story content is ready, tap on the gear icon, which is the settings button, to adjust your sharing preferences. Step 4. In the settings menu, tap on privacy to access more sharing options. Step 5. You'll see an option that says always share to Instagram. Toggle this switch on if you want to automatically share all your Facebook stories to Instagram, or toggle it off if you only want to share this story. Step 6. Finally, tap on Share to post your story. It will automatically upload to both Facebook and Instagram if you've toggled the setting on. And that's it. Now you know how to share your Facebook story to Instagram in just a few simple steps. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned.